conflict. The rest is still hanging over in old stories. It's a new age in the world and a new age in the Middle East.
One more question over there, because I know your time is almost up.
Good evening. My name is Iris. My question is, what's the ultimate goal you have for Israel?
Peace.
What?
Peace, to make peace.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, to make peace.
That's
and
the
how?
main dream, the main issue, and we shall not stop it, even if there will be dangers or not. This is our central concern and hope.
Yes.
To conclude, we are now negotiating with the Palestinians, the two sides, and Secretary Kerry said that it can be done in 9 months. It's not a very long time. I think we agree.